What is going on, guys? Greggles TV. This is the Whitestone dome glass for the Galaxy S10 Plus. They also have it for the S10. Goes for about 50 bucks right now on Amazon. I will link it down below if you want to pick it up. And it is glass that goes on the front of your phone to protect the glass from cracking. And it works with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that you can see right here. It says, please re-register your fingerprint after attaching the dome glass. And it is a full ultrasonic recognition, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. And this is kind of a different kind of glass than what you're probably used to. This is one that you're not just gonna take out of the box and stick on it. You're basically gonna have to use the tools that are inside to basically, it kind of like melts onto the screen. It's like a liquid, and it just kind of like melts onto the screen and turns into a protective glass for your phone. So you can see the tool in the back. It's a UV curing machine. It says, please follow the instructions included to properly use it. It's kind of a crazy process, but it's also kind of neat as well. So inside the box, you do get this Whitestone dome glass instruction manual. You also get these wet swabs to clean off the screen, along with a cloth microfiber to wipe off the screen. Here's the UV machine that helps put the glass onto the screen of your phone, and then you also get a micro USB cable. And then here is the rest of it to get it together. There's liquid in these little cylinders right here that you pour on, and then it kind of is a stinky, smelly process, but if you get it on, it works really, really well. There's people that live and die with it. I generally don't put glass protectors. I'll try it again this year. I always have a little bit of trouble doing these and some, with air pockets and stuff. But if you're really good at that kind of stuff, you definitely want to try this, because this is one of the better ones to get going. And plus, it is compatible with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So again, I'll link it down below just to give you an idea what it's all about, what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you down the road.